Yes, sir, here it is.
Changis man and nerd.
Brother, see my tip man, the Changis man.
Yes, it's here once again when Boyo aka Rockstar will be lifting up this job right here.
With his teeth.
As you can all see, it is full of water.
Yeah.
And now,
Full to the rim.
and now he's ready to put on the show. After after 3. 1.
Look on the jug, look on the jug. 2 gallon.
2. Yes. Hold on, give me a video, man. I can't video. Yes, you can see vehicle passing by. Everybody wanna see it.
Watch out.
Here he goes. That's Boyo. That's Rockstar Nemord. Up in the air. Wow, Boyo. Boyo. That's Boyo with the jug filled with water.
Up again.
Up again, Boyo. Turn your roll, Boyo. Turn your roll. Up there. Boyo, that. Smile and make them see. I'm not joke thing.
Alright. Produced by
Fatta Steve, aka the girl in Bagaboo. See my little son, them now left him out the have it in a bag.
Look again.
Look again, see the people no look. Water full.
Alright, lift it up again.
Show your teeth first. Every teeth. You see it are no iron teeth. Iron teeth in a real teeth. See there? Real teeth. Go on again now, me G. See him there? Up.
Lift it up. Walk with it.
See him there with the people.
Yeah.
You don't see him for yourself. See it there?
Yeah. Alright. That's it. Make a run a good class of crowd.
Alright, now I'm mass your time.
Stop it.